So welcome back to MrYouWho, Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. So we're going to be reviewing the JBL 125TWS Earbuds, as you can see here. Now these are the successor to the JBL 120 earbuds. So we're really excited to be reviewing these. Number one, because of the battery life. These earbuds come with 32 hours battery life, 8 hours in the case, which to me is quite incredible. So we're going to be testing them out again. We're going to be unboxing them first, have a look at what comes in the box here. We're then going to go and show you the functions, how they work. We'll be testing them out, testing the sound out to see how they sound, using them out and about, and kind of telling you guys whether you should buy them. Now we'll look at the comfort, the quality, the functions, the sound quality as well. So you're real excited. And this built on other JBL reviews we've done in the past. For example, 220, Project Rock earbuds. So have a look at these reviews. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. But yeah, really excited to be seeing these today. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's links below as well if you want to purchase. So let's jump in now and have a look at it at MrYouWho. Here's the JBL Live 125TWS. Now this comes after JBL 120, so it's the upgraded model. So let's have a look at it today. So we're going to start by looking at, so it's going to be in the black earbuds we're going to be looking at. First thing that pops out on the case sale is the battery life, 32 hours. It's 8 hours in the earbuds and 24 hours in the case, which is excellent. And it's more than any other earbuds from JBL we've reviewed so far. So we're pretty excited to have a look at these. Again, there on the back, there's the earbuds we'll be looking at shortly in the case, which we'll obviously go into detail in the video. And a bit more about the operation of the earbuds, which we will go through shortly as well. So let's open up these lovely earbuds and have a look at what they come with. So as I said, the JBL 125TWS come with a long battery life, which is great, and I love the design of it. So there they are straight away. So there's the two earbuds and there's a case. So let's have a look at the case to start with. So there it is. Again, a similar pebble shape to previous JBL earbuds we've done. I love the pebble shape, it's really nice. Slightly bigger than other JBL earbuds we've looked at too, but that's also backed up with the case. I mean, with the 32 hours battery life is very good. So let's now have a look at the earbuds. So put that down. So here's the two earbuds. Again, there they are. So again, they've got the touch design. So you press the button there to activate them, to use voice control. There's the earbuds. So they don't have the fin like other JBL earbuds have as well. They're also IPX, not IPX7 rated too, which means you probably wouldn't want to wear them in the water or out in the rain. But we'll try them on shortly and tell you about how comfortable they fit, but that's how they are there. And they fit in the case just by literally lining them up there, pop them in, and you pop them in again, and the light comes on. So there's the case too. So yeah, quite good looking earbuds. So take a look. So you've got the normal, so in here you've got the tips. So you've got 4 tips if you want to replace it. And you've also got the guides in here. So like all JBLs, they come with the quick start guide, which kind of goes through how to set the earbuds up to begin with, which we'll go through shortly. Just a bit more product information and just product specifications as well that you can look through in your own time. So similar to the other JBLs, we've had the similar information they have. So which is quite handy as well, because you want to be able to activate your earbuds straight away without going into too much detail with them. So there they are there. So again, 32 hours battery life, I think is excellent. They look really good, the earbuds as well, perform really well. And yeah, looking forward to jumping in and trying them out. So let's go and do that now. Okay, great. So what are the earbuds like to wear? So here's the earbuds just here. So when you take them out, you've got both the left and the right earbud. So the right earbud's one facing you, which is this one. You can see that as well on the, I don't know if you can see that just there. It says right on there. So you put them in the ears with the tip facing up, like this. They fit in there quite easily, quite well as well. And obviously the left one goes in too. Now, when you put them in, you should hear a little that means that the earbuds have connected to the phone. You can see them there. If you can see how they look just there. So really, really good. So when the earbuds are connected, you play music. It's quite straightforward. So if you want to move tracks forward, you press it once. If you want to go backwards in a track, press the left one twice. Now, if you want to pause, so you want to talk to someone, you press the right one once, like that. And if you want to do Google or Siri Assistant or Amazon Alexa, you just press you press a button twice, so you can control the music. You can also answer calls by pressing the right one once, and answer music as well. So they work really well. They fit really well in ears as well. I find them quite comfortable. So I'm really keen to see how these work out and about. So we're going to go now and jump out. I'm going to show you how they worked at the gym, and also doing some exercise. And then we'll do a bit of a sound test so you can see what they're like. But playing them already, the music's really crisp and really nice, and it kind of reflects the great quality sound that JBL has. And the bass in these is surprisingly good as well. So yeah, they sound really good. So let's jump in and have a look at that right now. So wearing the earbuds in the gym, they're surprisingly comfortable, as you can see. They don't move a lot, even when I'm moving up and down. They're quite comfortable, and I couldn't hear much outside noise either, so they sit really well, even with skipping and doing weights. They're excellent, so really good for exercise. Wow, so what's our final thoughts of the JBL 125TWS earbuds? Well, we think they're a fantastic pair of earbuds, and the biggest thing about them is the battery life. 32 hours battery life is extraordinary. I mean, you get 8 hours just in the earbud. I mean, it's fantastic. And even with the fast charge as well, 15 minutes of charge an hour with USB there on the back. So great quality earbuds. As for sound, the sound's great. The bass is really pronounced, is really good without being too loud. The bass sounds great. The sound's clear and crisp. You can really enjoy the music when you're listening to them. It kind of reflects JBL's quality of sound. I mean, JBL are up there with the best in sound, so great job. Call quality was okay when I'm using it for calls. You wouldn't be using it for Skyping or meetings, but for general voice chats, video chats to people, it's fine to use for the calls. They fit well in the ears as well, although I would prefer probably to have like an ear tip, like some of the other ones that I have in the past. As you can see there, it still sits in the ears canals. I've worn them for a couple of hours, and they were okay. They're still comfortable in the ears, didn't really hurt at all, which is good. But I guess, yeah, I mean, they're really good. They're up there with my favourite JBL earbuds, and they work really well. I love the JBL design too. I love the pearl-shaped earbuds. They're really, really good. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing the review today. These are excellent pair of earbuds, and again, JBL, you've done a great job. Make sure you let me know your thoughts about these earbuds. You can also purchase them in the description below. And as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho.